This is Laos Plateau and other cold desert area of China. We see that in China too, climate change is there, weather conditions are changing, lot of rainfall also causing floods and having badly affected the economy. So they found the solution in Sibakthon. They took the decision some 50 years back, and here the Chinese leaders are very visionary. I see the large scale nursery and plantations happening in China in different regions. In 19 states or provinces of China, they are growing sea buckthorn. There you see industries are near the villages, and all the plantations have been carried out by the farmers in collaboration with industry. So this is a Madam Kuan Jinyang, very visionary leader, and so in collaboration with the International Sea Buckthorn Association, under their guidance, and of course local experts, so they made different task force on sea buckthorn, task force for the cultivation, task force for value-added products, task force for biochemical aspects, clinical trials, etc. So this task force have been very successful. So and they have collaboration with Russia, with Finland, Germany. So it is a learning experience for us that collaboration is very important, not only within a country with different states, for example, Himalayan states, but also with the international collaboration. So Chinese are producing a very high quality sea buckthorn food products, multivitamin. They are the only multivitamin antioxidant juice in the world, and juice are rich all vitamins, carotenoids, polyphenols, etc. And see the technology how they have been cultivated. Sea buckthorn in desert condition and converted the desert into the green forest of sea buckthorn. It improved the economy of the farmers. And see how this is the cuttings planted in the field in greenhouse conditions, and the sea buckthorn fruit are tested by the industry, by the laboratory, and this is here. Then the finished products also tested by the laboratory for their quality. And here you see how they have collected fruit in the trays. Then dry fruit also exported, pulp, oil, etc. also exported to so many countries. So, so it is a mission, it's a vision. They have made it successful. They have planted 30 lakh hectares sea buckthorn in last 40 years or so, and including Russian variety have been planted in about 1,50,000 hectare. Of course, in most areas, little bit, but for dry regions, they made a F1 hybrid between Russian and Chinese. So, Chinese experience is very important for the countries like India, Pakistan, Nepal, Central Asia, Mongolia, etc. So our first priority should be environmental conservation and then the improvement of livelihood of the farmers. And say now sea buckthorn is being sold in various stores, hotels, shops, in the market. This is the venue of 10th International Conference on sea buckthorn being held at Odos from 1st September to 5th September 2025. And this is the volunteers. It is a beautiful city, beautiful place to host this conference. You can see how sea buckthorn has brought prosperity in Inner Mongolia, China.